What's next? What is next? Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. This is your boy Rome. You guys are watching the fourth official. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there, bottom right corner if you're brand new. Where do we begin? Where do we begin? All right, so I said this at first, just before the beginning of the Gold Cup, that I think we shouldn't be expecting too much of this group because we need to see the type of football that we should be playing. We weren't expecting to win the Gold Cup, but we want to see a different type of football from what we had previously in the previous regime. And I'm going to stick to that stance because really what I wanted to see was a different type of football that we used to play in. And I kind of saw that throughout the competition. So what we just saw was the team looking flustered. The team on a whole looking bemused, confused, and trying too much individually and not playing as a team. I do think that all the mistakes that they made individually cost the team collectively yesterday. I'm not talking about a score because the score could have been different, would have been different. It is what it is. But I do think that the team, when they made those initial mistakes, the first 3 minutes of the game, when they, the two, when Bernard and, the midfielder collided, let the winger go for Mexico, then the ball game just developed after a while. That culminated in a bunch of stuff that happened throughout the game. So overall, the team itself, not very good. What we just saw was all the praise that we gave the team throughout this competition. Or we saw the development of the team holding on to the ball, passing it left, right, center, moving through the ranks, playing over the top, yes, but playing through the midfield. We didn't see that at all yesterday. What we just saw was give the ball to the goalkeeper and then boot up to Antonio again. He gone back to the theater with more feelings again. And that was because we lost the first goal. And the moment we lost the first goal, the team itself just revert to its old ways. So if you put Antonio into the team, you put Gray into the team, you have Brilliance, have Bailey into the team, regardless of how good they are holding on to the ball individually, the team itself revert to what we used to, which is just kick the ball down on the back and then boot up to attackers. And Antonio wasn't holding as he used to. He wasn't sticking it on his chest and moving it left, right, and center. The ball was going on his head, flicking it gone up. It was sad. What we just saw, Coach H looking like, hey, I got a lot of work to do. He looks like he's saying, listen, I have a lot of work to be done. Number one, he needs to bring in more midfielders into the team. Latibody here, Lambert, they look good. But maybe they need to be on that level to be had. Maybe he needs to be calling Mason free in Greenwood. Maybe, just maybe. Just think about that for a second, JFF and Coach H. Call Mason Greenwood. Tell the man, say you have a daddy, that have a father, a brother, auntie, whoever come from Jamaica. Tell the man to come play for Jamaica because you won't be playing for England. We need more recruitment, especially in the midfield and the forward line, because Mikel Antonio will not be playing next World Cup. Maybe he will, but he's 32, 33 right now. World Cup 3 years from now. So we need young blood into the team. What we just saw is Jamaica playing proud throughout the tournament. And yes, they capitulated last night, But I think that we can be proud to say, yes, they played well. They played very well. I'm happy that I saw the progression throughout the phases, group stages, quarterfinal, and we capitulated in the semifinals. But I can see a progression in the team. I can see where the team is going. Hopefully, we can improve on our performances in previous games and just disregard last night. Hopefully, we can disregard last night and build a team that has the spirit and the know-how to say, even if we lose 1 goal or 2 goals, we can come back. We have the push and the fight to come back, which means, listen, we're not gonna just go over there and capitulate like we did last night. People, bless yourself, bless up others. Make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe, right? Don't dare for brand new. Manaz.